I've got another video. It's an Untangle video, Arista. Client gave me one of these, and I've been, for many years, I've been wanting to get one of these and put Untangle on it. This guy was used once and the guy didn't like it. I tested it does work. So let's follow the instructions here how to get Micro Edge installed on here and see if I can fail at that or get it working. So it's a WRT1900 ACS. These things are really powerful. So let's plug it in and see what we get out of here. I'll put a link to the instructions I have here to do this. Now, as this is booting, sorry, I forgot to put this in the video, or put it near me. I still have this shiny bad boy. Let's put this box underneath here. I was given this box from Untangle because I'm doing some more work with these. The E6 non-wireless, I asked for the non-wireless one, so I sent the wireless one back, but it also has version 4 on there. But they have a new version coming out soon. So let's put 3 on here, because that's what's going to be supported, see what it does. And then maybe later on I'll fire up both of them and do a side-by-side view. It says it's online, so let's look here. Let's go my network config here. /all. Oh, I got to type that in right. ipconfig/. I think it's just 0.1. Ping 192.168.0.1. Is it there? Wait a second, that might not work. Hold on. No, it's 1.1. So, let's go with this. 192.168.1.1. Hey, there it is. Router password. What's the password? What's the default password for this? Admin? It is too. Weird. Okay, so the instructions say, let's go with this and put these side by side so we can see them. Let's follow some instructions, see if I can majorly, conquerly fail at this task tonight. Can never get these to work properly. No, it's going to go full screen. Okay. Says first, download the Micro Edge firmware. I have that. It's right here on the desktop. Flash the device. In the Linksys administration UI, click connectivity. All right. Then it says manual, and it's got a big arrow going to there. 19 video. There it is. We'll click open. And then it says click start. Connect to Micro Edge. After approximately 2 minutes, flash and compete at the point, renew the IP address of your management computer. Ooh, okay. Let's try this. Hopefully I don't break this guy because I really like this thing. Let's click start. Important update. Am I in the way? I might be in the way. I'm sorry, guys. Let's move you over here. Yes. Do not power off your router. Yeah, I'll have to do some more videos on the E6. I really like the E6 because it's got gigabit SFP ports on there, and it's a really nice device. So I'm going to be doing a whole bunch more videos on this. Your router is rebooting. Ooh, that's always scary, isn't it? Okay. And it says that it's going to still use 192.168.1.1. So she's doing his job. This light, oh, here it goes. Internet. Oh, hey, it's there. It came back. You mean I didn't brick it? Stop. Okay. It's probably not going to work that because that's an old URL. But let's see what happens here. It did work. Oh, that's pretty sweet. So we go continue. Yeah, I agree. Password. Actually, I'll create a bigger one. Time zone, UTZ. No? Let's see if we can find America, Vancouver. Here, I'm going to make this big screen because I'm squinting here. That looks better. Okay. I'm just going to leave all this default Wi-Fi. I think the password's 1234567A. That's pretty cool. I mean, that's neat. Cool, cool. Yep, it's got a 10 address, which is on my phone network, but it's double natting. But let's see what happens here. Testing WAN. Test results. Who cares? Why? I don't want QoS. Rerun. Okay. Continue. That's stupid. What do you... Let's go 50. Fine. 50. I don't know why I need that in there. That's strange. 3.0 and the Edge Micro, the little firewall, or the little Micro Edge didn't need me to do this, but whatever. So let's go back to here. Admin. Even shows that I'm double natting. Look at that. It's working. That's hilarious. This thing right here. This little Linksys. Huh. Bet you could do a speed test and it's going to suck. Because I remember with the Edge Micros, they didn't give you any speed until you had oh, this one says license unlimited. Oh! Huh. Let's go with this. Fast.com. 48. Yeah, it's because I probably set 50 in there. QoS. Settings. Network. Routing. System. Firewall. And I'm going to have to check around in here to find out where that was. I haven't used any of this. Routing, WAN policies. WAN rules. Is it in here? Low latency. Firewall. Filter. Shaping. I have to look around in here, guys, for that one. System. Settings. Factory reset. Upgrade. I wonder if it'll upgrade by itself. Okay, well, the whole point of the video was to see if we can get the software installed on here. And look, we did. Back to the dashboard. I really like this dashboard. I kind of like it better than the Untangle one, but let's not go too far there. I wonder if there's a dark theme in here. Wasn't there like a settings? No. There used to be like a... In 4.0 you could change the theme. There's no theme setting on this one. But anyways, it's working. So I'm going to do some more videos on this now. Maybe get that working now. So, thanks for watching. A quick little video how to follow these instructions right here. I'll put a link to the video. So if you guys want to find a Micro Edge, or if you can find one of these WRT1900s on eBay and do the same thing. Because if it says, back home here, sorry, dashboard, if this is unlimited, but the other version of the Micro Edge needed a license to get any decent speed, it capped out at 20 megabits, this is better. I found it. We go to WAN, QoS, and it disabled the QoS on this thing. Instead of setting it at 50 what I was, now look at this. 500 megabits through this, and I'm double natting right now too. That's pretty good. You know what else I found? The Micro Edge 4.0, one thing that people hated about that and they just didn't like about it, the wireless version, you only get one SSID. Look at this. Wi-Fi 1, SSID, Wi-Fi 2, SSID. So you know what that means? You could do a guest network and a production network. One of the things I really didn't like about the Edge Micro, or not the Edge Micro, but the Edge W, or the E6W. Wow, I'm bad with numbers today. It's 7:30. Anyways, so thanks for watching. Thumbs up, or don't thumbs up, but I'll do more videos on this for sure. See you later.